Math lesson 8.6.
Hi, old boys and girls. Kermit the Frog here again with another exciting math lesson. Yep. Okay, today's lesson is math lesson 8.6. And it starts on page 571. It looks just like this right there. Let's take a look at today's essential question. Why is measuring in feet different than measuring in inches? I have to think about that one. What do my feet have to do with anything? For today's lesson, we will not be doing page 571, so you can go ahead and turn the page. What are you waiting for? Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page! That's better. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for turning the page. Let's take a look at the top of page 572, up there in the light purple area. It says 12 inches is the same as a foot. Yep, it is. A 12-inch ruler is a foot long. You can measure lengths in inches and also in feet. The table in the picture is 60 inches long. You could also say it is 5 feet long, or about that. Now let's practice measuring some real objects. Since we're not in the classroom, you don't have a desk. So we will substitute the desk with a chair, just like that one. Also, you can measure the window in your house. And for number 3, measure one of the doors in your house. Do it in both feet and inches. Your answers might be different than mine because your chairs are different sizes than mine, just like the windows and the door. So I have gone ahead and measured these 3 objects in my house. And here are the results I have. Tell them about it, Mr. Oppenheim. Okay, boys and girls, you should now be on page 573. You will do this page on your own. However, I know you don't have all of these classroom objects that are pictured over here in your home. So for the chalkboard, you can use a picture in your house. Maybe one that looks like that. For the poster, you can measure your dishwasher. Instead of a teacher's desk, use a kitchen table. Instead of the easel, measure a TV in your house. And for instead of the bulletin board, measure the length of your bathtub. Go ahead and press pause.
Hi, boys and girls. Mr. Oppenheim here. Hopefully you'll get your parents to help you with this and check your answers, since everyone's answers will be different. Different pictures, different dishwashers, different size tables and TVs. So go ahead and measure each of these objects in inches and in feet, and have your parents, if they can, check, or perhaps an older brother or sister. And tell them thanks for Mr. Oppenheim for helping you.
For page 574, boys and girls, for number 9, you will measure a shelf in your house. Perhaps it is a shelf in the kitchen, or maybe in a bedroom. For number 10, you need to explain why the length of your shelf is different in inches than it is in feet. Let's do number 11 now. You can go back and do numbers 9 and 10 later. Number 11 says, use the words on the tiles that make the sentence true. What do they say? They say inches and feet. Okay, number 1 says, a bookshelf is 4 blank long. Would a bookshelf be 4 inches long or 4 feet long? You're right, feet. Deb's necklace is 20 blank long. Would you say inches or feet? Inches, good. Deb would have to be a giant to have a neck 20 feet long. A marker is 3 blank long. Did you say inches? Good. And Jim's bicycle is 4 blank long. Did you say feet? Very good. This concludes today's lesson. Please go ahead and do math homework pages 575 and 576, and then take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw. Bye! I'm going to hop out of here.